I feel humbled, do you? I'm still in my sit-on nail era. Like in college, I could go out like 4 nights a week, and now I'm like, whoa, stick to one. Like, it's just, we need a spring cleaning. Good morning. I wanted to do a just normal New York City vlog. I feel like I'm always doing like travel vlogs or like random hauls. So we wanted to do an updated New York City vlog. So today is Saturday. I'm going to go get my nails done. Well, I don't know if I'm going to do my fingernails because they've really been through it. So I feel like they need a break. So I might just get a pedicure, but I'm gonna go get a little coffee and avocado toast first at my favorite place. I'm so excited. Yeah, it's a stunning day. I think we might go to New Jersey this weekend actually, but bless you, bless you. Anyway, I'm in a little red mood today, as you could tell. Got a little red from head to toe. I actually think I'm gonna do red on my toes as well. So
when there's one, there's plenty, am I right?
What?
Sneezes.
Oh, okay, so let's go. Something about me is that I cannot get my nails done without headphones. I just had to stop and buy these blue headphones for $15. Like, but I just can't sit there for 2 hours without my headphones. So, had to buy these. Stunning. Oh, little shiny blue. Like, I'm gonna look like an idiot, but I don't know what it is. I mean, I hate getting my nails done. I think that's a universal experience, but makes it a little better. Pedicure I can do actually. Fingernails, I'm like, oh my god, like it always takes 3 hours. Pedicure I can manage, like it's a little enjoyable. So anyway, getting my coffee. It's really cold. Thank you so much. Okay, well you're sick, so we're gonna have a little pastina. I can't believe Whole Foods didn't have the stars though. Good morning. I am going on a walk with one of my friends this morning, so I'm gonna stop and get a little coffee first. I'm meeting her at the coffee shop and I'm running late as usual, so let's go. But this is the outfit today. Amazon sweatshirt, like okay, Amazon. Jackets, we were what? These leggings, I'm obsessed with, they're airy. And then the shoes are Sorel. I've actually been loving these sneakers and wearing them so much, but my boyfriend is sick, so I'm going to hold these back down for him and probably go to the doctor later. So I'm going to run out quickly for like 45 minutes and go on a walk with my friend, and then I will be back. Oh, it's actually a little colder than expected. OMG. Okay, I just took Ian to the doctor, but he didn't want me to get sick, so he's like, I'm just gonna go in. You can go home. So I actually wanted to get a ton of cleaning supplies and just clean this entire apartment. I know he's like still sick, but like I kind of just wanted to do like an end of the year cleaning. I want to do the grout in my bathroom. I want to do the baseboards. I got magic erasers to get any marks off the wall. Like the bed isn't even made today. Like it's just, we need a spring cleaning, you know. So cleaning haul, I got bathroom grime fighter for like shower curtain, bathroom tiles. Hopefully I can like use that. And I got sponges for this. This is like riveting stuff here. Got some sponges, cute. Then I'm like obsessed with magic erasers. That's like the best invention ever. I got toilet bowl cleaner. I got the good stuff, like that gel that's like thick. You know what I really wanted? Because I'm always on like cleaning TikTok and I love when they like stamp the gel in the toilet and it like stays for a little while. I couldn't find that at CVS. They didn't have that. Lysol wipes. Okay, they didn't have Lysol spray. I really wanted the spray and just to like go ham with the spray. They didn't have it. And then I got dish soap. It's not very exciting. I got my acne medicine, obsessed. And then I got nipple covers. Like these are like the most, this is like the CVS haul. Tights, because I rip my tights every single time I put them on, and everyone's like, get sheer tags. And I'm like, ugh. I don't really feel like spending $30 on tights, but for now I'm good with the CVS stuff. I know they don't rip. Like everyone's like trying to push me on the sheer tags. I actually asked for some for Christmas, so hopefully I get them. We have a little candy bowl at the door, and I put candy canes in them, but like they're not really a hit. Like neither Ian or I, is that the right pronunciation? Either Ian and I are eating them, so I got Reese's, like, obviously. So that's the CVS haul. I'll show you guys, like, it's a Saturday today, and I'm going to do a big clean. Also, my walk with my friend was so nice. We went down to meatpacking, went to Anthro, and got a gift for my boyfriend's mom for Christmas, because they just redid their kitchen, so I got them, like, a little kitchen gift. And Anthro's, like, dishware, cookware, all of that right now is just stunning. I'll put in a video of it, but, like, dang, I really wish I had space. Like I have no space. This apartment is 300 square feet. I haven't really done an official like apartment tour, which maybe I should, but it's just a mess right now. And whenever I have Christmas decor in here, it feels more claustrophobic because there's like decor everywhere. I'm like a little overwhelmed. Him and I have talked about like the city where we're gonna live next, and I did like the area we're in now. I think we might do the city like 1 or 2 more years and then move to like Hoboken, move out of the city a little bit just to have more space. Like my friend who lives in Hoboken pays the same amount as me, and she has like a full 1 bedroom with a skylight and like space. But I really like I do love my apartment. It has good lighting, we have doormen, it's like great, but eventually I need to be in a space where I can feel more organized because I'm home so much, like working from home. So yeah, it's a lot. Anyway, let's get cleaning mode on. I don't think I'm gonna like, I mean, I have cleaning gloves. Should I put the gloves on? Maybe. We're gonna start with the bathroom because it's like the smallest room, so it feels like the easiest to tackle. Is it open? Okay. I don't know how to open this. Squeeze. Okay, now I'm going to scrub the shower with scrubbing bubbles and these little cheap, whatever they're called, sponges. I hate when the little wet wipes won't stay in the top thingy. You know what I mean? So I have to keep reaching down. Or am I just like an idiot? It's supposed to stay in that thing. Oh, okay. Okay, all right. Can't even put the frickin', see? I don't know. The hard thing is Ian is sick, so I probably will have to do all of this again tomorrow, but I just wanted to give it a good base scrub while he's at the doctor, and then I can do the rest tomorrow. Like all the doorknobs, all of this. Just got this package from Skims, and I am obsessed with this set. They've sent me a red set before, but this is kind of like a darker wine color. It feels so amazing, and the pants are like looser, they're not the fold over ones, but I think I'm literally gonna put this on right now. Like it feels so soft, and I love like a fresh outfit for the first time. Like the feeling is like no other. So cute. I actually think it would be cuter if I had a bit of a tan because I'm a little pale right now, but the material is insane, and I love this dark like wine color, and I like that the pants are adjustable. So all 10s here. I just got this hat at the mall and I feel so cute in it. Like I want to wear it to the airport. I am going back to New York today because the holiday break is like over. I mean, there's not really a holiday break when you're an adult, but you know. So today's the 29th. I got home the 22nd, so I actually was here kind of a while, which was nice because I got to see my family, see my friends, and it was really kind of nice to just like take a break and chill. I feel like I didn't even like do any videos or do anything when I was home, which was nice other than like emails and stuff. I'm excited to go back to the city. New Year's Eve, honestly, Ian and I do not have a ton of plans. A lot of our friends are out of town or just doing dinner or doing something small, so I think him and I might just do a fun dinner, 2 of us, because we have friends that are like renting out bars or doing all of that in New York, which honestly comes out to be $250 in a night. Like, it's really crazy, which maybe we would spend that anyway, but I hate being stuck in one bar. Like, I like to like bar hop, so I don't think we're gonna do that. And he went to Alabama, and there's an Alabama championship game on the 1st, which a bunch of his friends are like coming into town for, and a bunch of our friends are going out for. So I think we're just gonna like do that, and that'll be like our New Year's celebration, because that's the 1st anyway. And sometimes I like don't like going out back to back. I don't always love going out back to back. It just feels like a little much. And I do not bounce back like I used to. Like in college, I could go out like 4 nights a week, and now I'm like, whoa, stick to one and maybe a dinner. My favorite thing ever is to go to dinner and do like a late dinner and drinks with friends. I think that's like so fun. But anyway, that's kind of our plan. So yeah, today's the 29th, and I will get back a little late tonight. I'm going to the airport at, my flight's board's at 6. I'll probably go to the airport at like 4:35. So anyway, I had a really good Christmas. I hope everyone had a good holiday Christmas season with their family, and if you did not, I am thinking of you. And I know it's hard for a lot of people during this time. I feel like the holidays is either like super high or super low for people, so it's kind of a weird time, like a rough time. But I'm excited to get the new year started. Maybe when I get back to the city, I can do like my I'm gonna do my mood board. I'm gonna do like my goals and resolutions for the year, which normally I go month by month with my goals. It just makes it like easier to keep track of. But I'll do all that. I don't always do all that. I was like doing yoga this morning, and I was just thinking, I'm like, I need to get squared away. I need to get the goals in line. So probably will do that when I get back to the city. But I'm also really excited to take down my Christmas decorations, because I just have like, it just feels cluttery. I think in such a small apartment, it feels really cluttery when my Christmas decorations are up. So I'm actually really excited to take those down. But anyway, I have a couple hours left at home. I'm just gonna chill out and yeah, kind of finish packing to go back to the city. Okay, I'm going to meet up with, this lighting is so bad. I'm going to meet up with Steph to help her do an ad, and I just have on this cute little outfit. I'll show you when I get outside. TikTok stuff. Actually feels so nice to be back. I feel like I love the holidays, but it's good to like have like a fresh start and get organized and get like back in a routine, because being at home, not that I do nothing, but like I take a big break. Like I just chill. So I like being back and having the energy of the city. But I'm meeting my friend Steph at this coffee shop. Well, it's Blue Bottle. They have them everywhere, but trying not to get hit by a car. They have Blue Bottle everywhere, but it's not super close to us. Like we have to go kind of far to get to Blue Bottle. So meeting her here. Haven't seen her in like a week. I'm like, separation anxiety. But yeah, I'm excited and so cozy. All gray with the fuzzy jacket is the best. Yes, how are you? I'm just gonna do an iced oat milk latte, please.
I'm gonna say there's something.
This is Steph's bag in my bag, and like this is giving so annoying. If I saw this person in public, I'd be like, you're annoying. Oh wow. Okay, it just got so busy in here. I'm trying to take a photo, but no, don't get. I love all of the like girliness going on here. Like we got the pink, so cute. Also, I did these stick-on nails. I'm so in my stick-on nail era, because I don't know how much it is in other cities. Like I don't even remember how much it was when I lived in Charlotte, but paying $90 to get my nails done in the city is insane. Like to get my nails and toes done is easily $150. So these stick-ons from CVS are like $15, maybe less. Stick them on, and I just keep the glue in my purse so if it pops off, I can just glue it back on. My mom actually got me these, so they have a little snowflake on it. It's kind of cute. But like I am so in my stick-on. Oh, this is from Ian. He got me this for Christmas. It's so pretty from Ring Concierge. But I'm so in my stick-on nail era. They're the best. And I just love my pink phone. I just love being a girl. So fun.
One, because they were like on
Oh, I thought those were from Nordstrom. The way that everyone in there is so happy that we're leaving. Oh wait, I love this corner right here.
Yeah,
so.
that could be cute. Yeah.
No, like, we were really hated in there. I feel humbled, do you?
Like, we were really stared at. Probably the worst we've had.
That was probably one of the worst. Because I feel like we're not like in Midtown, we're in Flatiron, but it's less like,
Yeah.
you know. Okay, I gotta go, there's too many people. I love doing this. Like, the line was so long and then you can just come over here and do like a little side checkout. Especially when it's only like a few things. It's
Yeah,
like,
want a bag?
Yes please, if you have one, thank you.
This obviously was old, but I lost my thingy of this, and I've been looking in all my purses, all my bags. Can't find it. So
I've never even had that thing. Do you just bring it out with you?
Yeah, it's nice for powder.
Thank you.
Well, if you
Yeah, like I
set
could
your
probably.
under eye. Not that I even have setting powder right now. I ran out, but I'm gonna order one.
I just got home and Ian and I are going to go to the grocery store because we literally have negative groceries. And I think we're gonna make BLTs for lunch. We were gonna like buy lunch or like go to this cafe and get lunch, but turn my AC unit off, it's so loud. But I think we're gonna make some BLTs. We're gonna get groceries for the week and then maybe go to the gym later. Just have like a nice chill Saturday. My apartment looks like an explosion. Like that's just like a little quick peek, but after the gym, we need to probably like, I'm probably gonna put on a movie and clean this entire place. Put the boxes away. I'm really excited to take Christmas decor down because it's just like cluttery. So off to Whole Foods, right Ian? Okay, the silence is so loud. Bud?
Oh, did I leave my shirt here?
Your AIM one?
Yeah.
I don't know, I didn't see it.
Yes.
Okay, all right. Mysterious package, so this. I think it is a blanket. Oh no, what is this thing?
Sweatshirt?
Oh, it's like a fuzzy, cozy, wearable blanket thing. Thank you, Vici dolls. Yesterday, I got this, which I think is a really pretty PR box from Kosas with, oh, okay. I actually love these concealers. Oh, okay, they fell again. I know. Dude, is this too squishy or is that good? This is we're just gonna use this for BLTs and for the steak sandwiches. Guac, we're doing tacos tonight. We got these, which we actually love these as little snacks. Like a little protein snack. And a baguette for both the sandwiches. I'm so excited.
Who was the girl that you knew that knew from high school?
This is me trying to connect to my Bluetooth app 100 times a day. Like,
Posh? Have you ever go to a Posh event?
okay, we're leaving for New Year's. The Uber's here. I changed outfits 100 times, but it doesn't really matter because we're just going to dinner. But Happy New Year's, everyone. Woo!
And what I wanted was to crash with my dumb friends on the weekend instead of watching a movie. But you wanted me to be what you need still.
So this was my Secret Santa gift. I got 4 of them and I got different hearts in each color. Like one's blue, one's red, and I am so obsessed with them. They're just seriously so cute. They're the best coffee cup. My desk has no room, by the way. Like my makeup and my desk, it's all in one. My mom got me this really cute desk chair for Christmas. The chair before was literally broken, so I love this, and I feel like when I have like an actual adult-sized apartment, it will be really nice to have, even in my living room or something. It's from Home Depot. It's so gorgeous, and it's actually so comfortable. I'm obsessed. I think it was like under 200.
That's how I